Good morning, students. Welcome in Babita Science tutorial, and let's start let's continue our chapter crop productions and management of lesson 1 of class 8 science. We have done many topics here like agriculture, types of crops in field, Kharif Rabi, agriculture practices. In the agriculture practice, we have already done this one, preparation of a soil. Now our next topic is a sowing. Okay. Then in today's video, I will explain you related to this topic, that is called the sowing. Then I already given the definition of a sowing. Sowing means a sown of a seed in the field. No, that is the definition of the sowing. And I told you also how to sow the seed in the proper gaps and proper depth. Means when you sow the seeds in the fields, then you will keep one thing, that you will give the proper gaps and proper depths. No, when you sow the seeds, means this one is your seeds, then give a accurate gaps. Okay, suppose that this is a one seed, then you will sow the another seed here, second seed will be here, and the proper depth means this one, not too much deep, in the proper depth, and proper gap between the seeds and seeds, proper depth. Then what is the function, means what is the importance if we will give the proper gap between the seeds and proper depth? It will ensures adequate sunlight and moisture, airs and nutrients will reach there to the growing plants. It helps in the growing plants if we will give the proper gap between the seeds and proper depth in the soil, then plant will grow better due to the adequate sunlight, moisture, airs and nutrients. Now there is a two method here. No, seeds can be sown by the following method. First one is a broadcasting. When we sow the seed in the field with the help of the hand, no, that is called the broadcasting process. Means in this method seeds are sprayed on the field manually or by our hand. This one is called the broadcasting process. Another is a traditional seed drill. Traditional means ancient time. In the ancient time, people can use this method, that is the seed drill. Now students, I told you seed drills we will use. It is a one kind of the implements which we used for the sow the seed in the field. Now in the seed drill, seed drill is a composed of a funnel. Funnel, this one means funnel shape. Funnel shape means like this. Funnel shape which we use in the home also. This like, okay. This one is a funnel shape which has a long and pointed neck. The seed drill is attached to the plough shaft. Plough shaft, I already told to you that plough shaft is made of the wood, and plough shaft is present in the plough also, and it is a very important part of the plough. Then plough shaft, seed drill is attached to the plough shaft. When seeds are kept in the funnel, they drop gradually through the neck when the field is being ploughed. Means when seeds are kept in the funnel, they drop gradually. Means seeds are dropped slowly through the neck of the funnel when the field is ploughed. The pointed end of the neck of a seed drill pulses the soil, and the seeds goes deep into the soil. With the help of the seed drill, the seeds goes inside the soil. The seed goes deep into the soil, and seed drills helps in saving. Then what is the function here? It helps in the saving their time when the farmers needs to sow a farm of a large size. So, I hope you will understand these 2 points: broadcasting and traditional seed trade. Now move to next topic, that is a modern seed drill. In the ancient say in the ancient time, people can use the seed drill, no, and that is made of the plow shaft. Okay, and the purpose is the same, that they will use the seed drill for sowing the seed in the field. But nowadays, for saving the time, for saving the more time, okay, and sowing the seeds in the large farm, they are using the another seed drill, that is called the modern seed drill. And this one is called the modern seed drill, called the tractor driven seed drill. Nowadays people can use the tractor driven seed drills, helps in sowing the seeds on large farms in or less time. Students, what is the difference here in the traditional seed drills and the modern seed drills? In the modern seed drills, we can use the tractor driven seed drills, and in the ancient time we can use the seed drills which is made of a plow shaft and funnel is there. But we can traditional seed drills we can use it for the small farms, not for a large farms, because we can spray this one uh, mm, farms in the large farms of the large size also. And see here in the this one in the broadcasting we can use this one for the small farms, and additional seeds also we can use for the large size farms, but it takes a more time as compared to this one modern seed drill. In the modern seed drill it can takes a less time. Then modern seed drill process is same here, but design is a little bit different from the traditional seed drill. In the traditional seed, in the modern seed drill, you will see the many hollow and pointed tubes which are fitted on the large frame of irons, and all the tubes are connected to a huge container at the top. Now students, suppose that this one is the container, okay, this one is the container, and this container is connected with the long tube, long frame of iron, and many tubes comes out from here, many tubes comes out from here. The and all the seeds are present here, all the seeds are present here. Then these seeds will come from each tube, these seeds will come from each tube, like this, and with the help of this seed drills, this seed goes inside the soil at a proper depth and the proper gap also. See here in this tube also gap is maintained here. One tube is here, second tube is here, and third tube is here. So with the help of this one seed drill, that is called the tractor driven seed drills, that is called the tractor driven seed drills. Seeds are sown very easily in on large farms in a less times. So this is all about the traditional seed drills and the modern seed drills and the broadcasting. Now once again I will revise you. Broadcasting we will do with the help of the hand. Traditional seed drill, people can use the seed drills by the funnel, and this funnel is attached to the plow shaft. And in the modern seed drills, people can use the tractor driven seed drills which help in the sowing the seeds on a large farms in a less time. This student, this is all about the sowing, and it is the second part of the agriculture practices, and I hope you will understand better. If you have any problem, then comment me in my comment box. Till then, bye, have a nice day.